Hey folks, it's Bob. Uh, I've got a short video that was done by our local TV station, Channel 2, on a program called At Your Leisure. The premise of the broadcast was to highlight a gentleman by the name of Terry Bland, who you'll see in the video that I'm going to show you, was the previous owner of Dago Red, a very famous Reno race P51. And that video was out on social media. You can find that interview with Terry, but I was asked to talk about this stuff in the hangar, and it's a short video, about 3 minutes. Terry's standing there with me. He's a really nice guy. But I'm going to talk about the A26 and the Mustang, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Jan and I have been friends for about 20 years. He's the guy that owns this Stewart behind me, and his brother Dave owns the Bomber behind us. I've known Jan for about 20 years, and Jan called me one day and he says, "You need to come down here and see what we got." And what we got was this A26 Invader behind us. It was in pieces, 5 flatbed trailers. The fuselage was by itself. The wings were sitting on their firewalls. It was frightening to get anywhere around it because it was filthy dirty. There was just, all of its parts were inside the bomb bay. It left the Douglas factory as a Warbird in 44, 45. It's apparently the very last serial number that left the factory intact. It never went into action. It was never used as an agricultural sprayer. It sat in storage for 2 or 3 years, and then Standard Oil and its affiliates bought several of them. This was turned immediately into a VIP transport. This aircraft only has 6,600 hours on it, which is really low time for a Warbird of its type. This has 2 Pratt & Whitney R2800-79 18-cylinder radials producing 2,000 horsepower a side. It's going to drink about 90 gallons an hour per side of fuel, not to mention how much oil it's going to use, because radials love to mark their territory. This would have originally been fitted with 8-gun nose and 3 wing guns in each side. Had a bomb bay that would carry approximately 2/3 the bomb load of a B-17 with 3 guys and about 100 knots faster than a B-17. So the Stewart P51 Mustang behind me is about an 80% scale version, between 70 and 80% scale version of a full-size North American Mustang like Dago Red. You stand them side by side and it looks like it's half scale, but Jan's been building this. He's done a fabulous job of fabricating everything. It's got a 540 cubic inch Chevy-based big block engine in it, turning out about 650 horses at 4,800 RPM. It's supercharged, fuel injected. Looking forward to the day that we can get it started. We're really close. Like I said, this was done some months ago before we actually got Jan's Mustang running. I'll leave a link down below, or I'll try to put it up here somewhere. And so you can see Jan's Mustang runs. Still working through some things, but getting closer to putting a prop on and doing some taxi tests. Anyway, I really appreciate you watching. Please subscribe, like, turn on the bell notifications, and share, and comments. The comments, I love the comments. Anyway, have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.